When you start building website with Kadence, it's easy to feel overwhelmed trying to design every page or section from scratch. What if you could skip all that and launch a beautiful functional website in just 20 minutes? In this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that using the FuerteCloud blocks library for Kadence blocks, a complete set of free design blocks and templates you can drop in and customize instantly. Let's jump in and build smarter, not harder. So first thing first, make sure you have the Kadence blocks plugin installed. Here you can see, if I go to the plugin section, right here you can see I have the Kadence blocks plugin installed. If you don't know how to install it, what you actually have to do is to get to this part right here and then click on add plugin, and then from here where it says search plugin, search for this plugin name, and then you will find this plugin Gutenberg blocks with AI by kadencewp. Just click on the install now button here and then activate it. After that, what you have to do is to make sure you have the Kadence theme installed. So right here you can see I have the Kadence theme installed. So these are basically the requirements to use the FuerteCloud blocks library for Kadence blocks. Once you will fulfill these requirements, the next thing that you have to do is to go to the pages. You can just click on add new page, and once you will click on the add new page, what you actually have to do is to create a page. So once it will get loaded, you can just type in the name of the page. So here you can see I'll name it as home, and then from here you will see this option that says design library. So just click on this design library option here, and then it will be on this part at Kadence. Just click on plus for cloud connect, and there we will require the connection URL and connection access key. So I'm just going to insert the connection URL and connection insert key, and the key is what you will get once you will purchase this product from here, which is the entire template kits for the Kadence block. This is just $9.95 for now, which is 33% off until May 9. I'll drop the link in the description, so you can just click on that link and grab this offer as soon as you can. So let me just connect it real quick. Alright, for the connection URL, you can see this is going to be the URL, and again, as I told you, the connection access key will vary, and you will only get the access key if you will purchase this product from here, which is only $9.95, and you will get a lot of these templates that will help you create your website in under 20 minutes. So let me just go back and let's just click on add connection, and once you will click on add connection, this will automatically start doing its thing. So now here you can see it is connected. It says FuerteCloud, so our FuerteCloud is connected, and if I click on this FuerteCloud here, you can see this is basically loading, and now here you are able to see all of these different templates that comes with our FuerteCloud blocks library. Now the good part about these is this: you can basically filter out based on your requirements. So you can pick whether you need the call to action, the cards, the comparison table, count ups, dividers, features, forms, hero sections. So there are a lot of these different options available to pick from. So let's just go back and start building our website using this FuerteCloud library. So now that our library is connected, what you actually have to do is to do some of the basic settings. That is, right now you can see our page is not full width, and I require a full width page. So for that, what we can do is to simply click on this page settings option right here, and once you will click here, just click on this full width, and this will make your entire page a full width. Then where it says page title, we don't actually need the page title on the home page, so I'm just going to disable it. So now you can see we don't have a page title here, and then this is the part where it asks about transparent header and the other things. So I'm not going to go in details for these things. So once done, you can just cross this out, and then from here you can just click on this design library, and where it says FuerteCloud, this is where you will have to click, and then you can just pick the hero, and then here you can pick any of these different hero sections that you can see here. So let me just pick one of these hero section that says pro. So if you will click on this Pro, it will basically start preparing the content. Now you will have to wait, can take some time, but now here you can see our hero section is basically here, and you can see this just took only few seconds. Now in the same way, if you want to add more sections on your website, you can just click on Design Library, and once you will click on Design Library, maybe we want to add a services section. So I actually want to use the info box, so I want to pick this info box right here. So let's just pick this info box and just click on it, and it will automatically insert the entire block here. So now you can see we have our services section right here. After the services section, I want to insert a couple of more sections, so I'll just click on the Design Library. Maybe we want to have a features section, so just click on the features, and under the features section I'll just pick one of these sections. So just pick one of the section, and now you can see we have this right here. Now we have 3 sections right here. Now just click on Design Library, and once you will click on Design Library, I want to have an about section, which is here, about me, and there you can pick from both of these. So I'm going to pick this section right here. So this will insert the block, and you can see how fast it is. You don't actually have to do all the things manually. Everything is there, and we will basically change all the content and images just in few minutes. So at the end, I also want to add one more section, which is going to be the simple pricing section. So in the simple pricing section, we can just insert this pricing, and it will insert the pricing part right here, and you can see these are the number counters here. And then at the last, we can have a beautiful call to action. So just click on Design Library, and then from here we'll have to pick the call to action. So here it is, call to actions, and just insert the call to action. And once you will insert the call to action, here you can see we have the call to action. Once done, you can simply click on this publish button, and once you will click on the publish button, our page is now ready. And then you can just click on view page, and once you will click on view page, now here you can see this is basically how our page is looking. Now you can see how easy it is to create the websites with this Fuerte templates for the Kadence blocks. Alright, let me just show you how you can basically customize this. So customization is not that difficult, and there is no any rocket science involved. What you actually have to do, for example, you want to edit a text block, so just click on the text, and then you can basically start typing. So you can see how easy it is to change any of the text. You can easily change this text in the same way for any of these images. You can just click on the image, and then you can basically expand this side panel, and this will give you more options. So just click on this icon right here, and then you can click on General, and there you will find a lot of these different options right here. So this will give you some extra options to work with. So just click on the image, and there you can see we have the image, and there is the alternate text here where it says edit image. Just click here, and it will open the media library. You can just click on media library, and then you can pick any of the other images. Maybe I can pick the shortcut icon, and then I can just click select, and now you can see we have this shortcut here. So in this way you can basically edit all of these different options. It is exactly the same for any of these buttons. Just click on the button right here, and where it says button link, you can just insert the button link by clicking on this edit icon right here, and then in here you can insert the URL of your website. So I'm just going to copy this URL from here, and then you can paste the URL right here, and then you can just click enter, and in this way you can insert the URL right here. In the same way, the same criteria applies here. You can insert an image right here. So just click on the edit image, and then pick any of the images. So let's just grab an image from Unsplash. Let's just go to unsplash.com. Let's pick this image, and then I'll just click on download free, and it will download the image. Now we can just go back, and then I'll drag this image right here, and once it will get uploaded, from here what we can do is to click on this select, and it will basically select the image right here. Here you can see this is getting loaded, and now the image is replaced. So in this way you can basically replace all the images, and where it says button, again I told you, you can just insert the links right here, and the links will get applied to the buttons. For the contact part, you can just insert the URL for your contact page if you have any. Then we have a section for about me. You can change your image right here, and the same things apply with the logos and everything that you see here. So for this image right here, what you have to do is to click on this navigator, and then here you can see we have this row layout selected. Just click on this style tab, and in the style tab you will find this image, because this image is selected as the background of this section. So you can just pick another image from here, and then you can upload your own image. That is how you can do it. And then we have this pricing plan section. There is the header. You can change the header. It can be a starter plan, it can be a premium plan, and then the third one can be the pro plan. And then here you can change all of these prices as well. Everything here is basically easily editable. Where it says number suffix, we don't use suffix, we use prefix, so you can just make it $1, anything like that. Again, the same thing, you can make it $1 here, and then it is going to be $1.49, and again the same thing, we can just make it $1, and it will go like this. And then for this part right here, you can change this text how I told you. It is really simple, there is no anything difficult right here. You can also change all of these colors that you are seeing here for these different sections. So this is the section, just click on this section and then just go to the style tab, and here you can see we have the gradient. So maybe if you want to change the color, you can just click on this color right here, and then you can just pick your own color, and then here you can see real time the color is changing. So in this way you can also change the colors however you want to. And at the last we have this call to action section, so you can change this ready to get your own dream website, and then in here you can insert the link for your form so people can fill in your form. So in this way you can basically create your own website with the Kadence theme, with the FuerteCloud Kadence blocks really easily. Once done, you can just publish it and give it a refresh, and then in here you can see this has been updated. Whether you're building for a client or launching your own brand, this block library is a massive time saver. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments what kind of site you are building. I'll be covering more Kadence plus FuerteCloud tutorials soon, so hit subscribe and bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching and happy building. I'll see you in the next video.